Chinnari Pathasala.
Kids, come on, count with me. Let's learn numbers happily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting makes our brains feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kids. Let's count again. Now the fun part. Here we go. Split the numbers nice and slow. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. Counting teens is super clean. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. You're the best I've ever seen. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. Kids, you're counting like a queen king. 2, 0, 20. Numbers plenty. 2, 1, 21. Counting is so much fun. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. Let's keep going. More and more. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. Like stars shining up in heaven. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. Wow, kids, you're doing fine. 3, 0, 30. Nice and sturdy. 3, 1, 31. Great job, everyone. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. Kids, let's learn a little more. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. Numbers make your brain feel heaven. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. Kids, your counting is divine. 4, 0, 40. Let's go boldly. 4, 1, 41. We're almost done. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. Kids, let's count a little more. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. Wow, your counting reached 11 times 4. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. Kids, you counted so fine. Yay! We reached 50. You made it look so easy. Clap your hands and say with me, counting is fun as fun can be.
Share, like, and subscribe.